guys, many of you must get some update from the college that you applied. I know many of my students, some of them they got offers, some of them they got a wait list. And what I noticed this year is like a lot of students got waitlisted by the colleges they applied. So there are several reasons about this year's application. I know you guys already know like this year is quite difficult because of pandemic, because of school all become like distant learning. So everybody is having a hard time. Basically, that's the situation. So for the college application, actually they are facing the same issue because SAT, ACT can no longer be taken because of the shutdown, because all the health issue. So this year, 1,800 colleges says, hey, we don't want SAT, ACT anymore, become test optional, and probably they're going to continue with the same policy for next year. Because of that, many of the students, they think, hey, because there's no requirement, I'm going to apply. So only Harvard, they got 57,000 application. And compared to last year, they increased more than 40%. And if you look at the Common App application, the data shows this year, the total application number for college increased 17%, while the total number of the student only increased 2%, which means the overall application students didn't increase that much. However, every student applied more colleges than ever before. Well, that will also cause a really heavy workload for every single college administration office because they have to review tons of applications. So somebody joke about it. This is application tsunami for most of the colleges. So because of that, we say this year's waiting list will be hell long. At the same time, you have to be patient enough. So better do some preparation and submit your update. And also if you have any other things you do, please update the colleges. Again, because there's so many applications and there's so less factors to check if you're good or not. Because there's no SAT and some of the school or many of the school, they actually changed the ABCD to be fail or pass. So there's no way to tell the students are good in academic or not. So that brings a lot of challenge to college admission. So because of the situation, we predict that the coming year probably will be the same situation. However, the good news is SAT, ACT Center, they start to open in some areas. So I suggest everybody to prepare to try to get a good score to show your academic strength. And actually, that will be a good way for you to be more competitive than most of the applicants. All right, hope this can help you.